How to fix /lib/x86_64 Linux new /libc.so.6, version glib_2.14 not found. How to fix this error? Platform.
That means the program was compiled against glib version 2.14, and it requires that version to run, but your system has an older version installed. You'll need to either recompile the program against the version of glib that's on your system, or install a newer version of glib, the libc package in Debian. Debian has glib 2.16 in the experimental repository, but recompiling the program is the safer option. Glib is the library that everything depends on, so upgrading it can have far-reaching implications. Although there's probably nothing wrong with Debian's glib 2.16 package, the fact that it's in the experimental repository means it hasn't received as much testing.
I have posted my solution here. Repost it for reference. In my situation, the error appears when I try to run an application, compiled on Ubuntu 12.04 LTS, using glib_2.14 on Debian libc, which installs glib 2.13 by default. I use a tricky way to run it, and get correct result. Download libc6 and libc6 dev from Ubuntu 12.04 LTS. Run dpkg command to install them into a directory, /home/user/fakeroot/ for example. Run your command with specified ld_library_path. My application only uses memsp from glib_2.14, and it works. I don't know whether it will work successfully for other applications. Was it helpful?
If you can't use dpkg because of the lib error, try /bin/busybox.sh. Busybox is statically linked, so works with the broken libc. Then you can use Wege to get the libc dev from this URL, rxlibc.dev, unstdata.tar.xz, and, be careful, tarvxfdata.tar/, to get things going again. Hilarious context. I wrote a Python 3 script to downgrade packages to the distro version in order to get a partly due release update upgraded system back to the pre-upgrade state. I neglected to leave libc until last.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.